Empungi kurwa mu ihanga rya Kongo zikatandika kutaha mu Uganda mu kwezi kwa kashatu 2008 ubwo rutaro rwabarukira hagati y'abahekera ba M23 n'amahega ya Kongo. Okwiho empungi zitwire nizitaha mu Uganda kandi izoba ryanyuma abazyo. Abandi bantu bari kurenga kakaga nabo batahira mu ihanga ubwo rutaro rukweyongera. Minisita Mateke nagira ngo kumaraho ubuzubu bw'abana batari kwega bashemerire kuzo mu kampe zishikirena na Kivale n'izindi nibija ku bana babahwera.
We have been receiving refugees, I think, for the last 2 months in Kisoro district. But Kisoro district, we do not have a camp. It is just a reception center. And the law is very clear. You cannot force somebody to apply or to become a refugee. For us, we have an open door policy. We receive them. It is up to them to decide to say that now I want to apply to be a refugee, and which we are encouraging them so that they can be taken to the camps.
Umuhezi wa RDC wa Kisoro Robert tukamuhebwa nagira ngo umuhendo gw'abana bari kutaho mu ihanga no gukira abakuru kandi bashemerire kutwariza ubwaje.
Necho busasi mnonga kugira ngo namba mpangwe kurondo budamu n'abana na nabakazi. Konka no kimanya ngo habaho muhondano ahatabiriho umutekano. Abacara na nabana nibo bakushira kuri abansima mu ebizibere. So turiyo twatanisa na organizations kezina nagambere zikwatera no kwereza ubuhereza bw'abana harimo ka Save the Children, World Food Program yonegeza kwereza mere kurangwa abana bato baba malnourished. So turiyo tukora cyo n'iki kubasika kurangwa abana ba obugabe bwabo bwarindwa babona food babona kurebererwaje.
Ibyo bikiriyaho bari kuhereza ubuyambe empungi ziri hari Nyakabande nabagira ngo hakiriho ibyetengo byinji ubwo empungi ziri kweyongera kukanya.
The part of hygiene and sanitation, that is still a challenging part, but together with the partners we still do daily sensitization. Then we do encourage the persons of concern as well to be part of the activities we do, cleaning toilets.
I noticed also cope with that the aspect of core relief items. We have the shelter gaps, they're also huge. If you enter these shelters, you realize that they have limited bedding. And also when you look at the sanitation facilities, they still need to increase more, and also some of the sanitation hygiene. Especially for the female at the reproductive age, we need a lot of sanitary pads, we need a lot of mosquito nets.
This crisis in Congo and people that have continued migrating, the big number we have in Kisoro of refugees is really a big disaster for the world, because these people are not comfortable at all and they will never be happy with what is happening, because their children and generations after them will always regret what has happened.
Ahitero kugambira empungi zikiriyo nizitaho mu ihanga kandi abandi bagarukiro wabo. Gasha kwa Job namanya na Keta tuzarirwe.